Okay, shooting today and I'm running. Shut up.
217 meters ahead.
Okay, I'm shooting today and I'm running late. I'm so late. I'm so sorry, boss. I woke up late. Anyway, I don't know if there'll be a lot of things happening in the vlog today because I'll be hands on deck shooting. So, I don't know. We'll see, guys. Real weddings here. You see these cars here. Volkswagen. So you see this typically in weddings, and they use this as the entourage car, and that's Don's car there. Anyway, we're here at St. Kilo. We're gonna take photos there in the barracks. That's Victoria Barracks. So yeah, that's it for today. Hey guys, was just trying to do daily, but last Saturday I was so busy with a lot of stuff. Like I was shooting a wedding, so hands on deck, didn't record much. It was a fun wedding though. I was with Darian and Don, so yeah, didn't have much footage, and yeah, we're busy shooting. The next day I was down, just went to sleep last Sunday, so yeah. I was supposed to have a shoot, but the weather was bad. It was not really bad because it's raining, and here in Australia right now we need all the rain that we can get, because the thing is there's a lot of bushfires, and it's all over Australia, and the rain's a blessing. So yeah, didn't shoot that much, had a whole day to rest. That's a good thing. And right now it's Monday, a lot of things to do. I was supposed to do the shoot today again, and the weather's really still not good, but I'll see how it goes. And yeah, and I just want to talk about the fires in Australia. I've seen some people who try to piggyback on the idea of donations. Like, some of them are real, but my own opinion is that I see some of them just trying to say like, promo will get this % discount if you book us, and we'll donate to the fires. And a lot of people are getting their bookings, like, booking them just because of the thought that they're gonna get discounts and they're gonna donate it. But sometimes I feel that they're making use of the fires to earn, or like to market their stuff. It's I don't know. I don't know which one of them are what you call this. Which one of them are sincere in helping, or some of them are just using it for marketing. It doesn't look good. But anyway, that's up to them. That's just me venting out. And yeah, so we're hoping there are going to be rains in the next few days. But by Thursday, I reckon it's going to be 40 degrees again, or no, 30 degrees again. So it's going to be hot again. But we need all the rain we can get. Thank you very much for the answered prayers. Yeah, Australia's burning right now, but the rains, they help out the firefighters, and yeah, they stop the spread of the fires. Hoping there are no thunderstorms, because it might create more fire. But anyway, that's another story. Anyway, that's it for now. Not much in the vlog, just snippets. See you tomorrow, guys.